BlackBerry.com.
Hi, this is James from CrackBerry.com and we're looking at FlyCraft, which is new for the BlackBerry PlayBook. As you can see from the home screen here, we've got a few options. Over on the right hand side, we've got the start, we've got achievements, which shows you the things we've collected so far to assist us, and we've then got the leaderboards, which shows you how rubbish I am, but it shows you how excellent some other people are. That just takes a second to load. In fact, I don't know why it's going slowly all of a sudden. Anyway, that's not important. And we've got settings, we can tweak the sound effects and volumes, that sort of thing. But let's jump straight into the game. This thing is challenging. I'm going to start from scratch. Essentially what you've got to do, you've got to build, using these things on the left hand side, you've got to build basically a vehicle to transport this bug guy. And he'll travel down the hill and you've got to get him as far as possible. And that is easier said than done. To give you an example, we're going to use those three wheels. We'll stick a few bits of wood on there, and as you can see, you can actually angle the wood any way you like. We'll then grab another piece of wood and stick that on there, and then we need some we'll stick some blocks on here just to balance things out a little bit. This will probably be a complete disaster. I spent probably about 3/4 of an hour on this game last night, and it's just it's really hard. But that's not necessarily a bad thing. Right, let's press go and see how far we get. Oh, well, it's working. We're going down the hill. Whee! There we go. We got 10.6 centimeters. So now what I can do is we can go back, and it will retain that craft that we've built. Now yesterday when I was playing this, I picked up this can of Fizzy Pop, so what I can do is I can put that on the back there somewhere. Oops. And I can spin it round, and as we're moving down the hill, I can activate it, which should give us a bit of extra power. Apart from a bug's now popped out. And that doesn't count because the bug pops out, so we'll have to try that one again. So what we'd better do is see if we can maybe extend the vehicle a little bit. We'll stick in a metal plate there. Hopefully that will make some difference, and then we'll stick the bug in the middle. Let's see if he stays there. That's a bit better. And essentially that's the game. You have to get as far as possible. You'll see this red bar here. The further you get, this red bar will move up and it will move you on to the next level. But there are, as you can see on the left hand side, there's various items that I haven't actually collected yet because I'm not very good at this game. But it's interesting, the graphics are good, the gameplay is good. When it comes to a game, I like a challenge, and this is certainly challenging. In fact, before we go, let's have one more go and see if we can get this any further. I've got another wheel here. We'll stick that on the front and see if that makes any difference. No, my luck, it won't do. And off we go. Didn't make a lot of difference. But it's a good game. It's got some good noises. I like it. Why don't you go and check out FlyCraft? It's in BlackBerry App World now. See ya.